Hello all, it's Sharon. Today's video, I'm just back with a little quick video. I picked up this item from Canadian Tire. We went there to get some fans, and I saw this item and it was only $6, and I think it's absolutely fantastic. This is a 6-piece cleaning brush set. So it has all different types of little brushes, even one for your straw, like the typical baby bottle brushes. There's even this unique shaped one here. The reason I got it is for the thinner bristle brush one here. Now the handle is not long enough for what I need, so I'll have to attach it to something. But I find, especially in the summertime, like my guinea pigs cages are not in direct sunlight, but the bottle will get like a film in it, especially in the summer, and I think that's probably like an algae buildup, and it's very hard to clean because the hole for the water bottle is like that big. So I'm going to try this. I'll add like an extra long handle on there somehow, maybe like a wooden dowel from like Dollarama. But yeah, I really think this is a fantastic little bottle brush set. We also have drinking water bottles as well, so this will come in handy. But yeah, I think that's a really good deal for only $6. So yeah, just a quick video today. I will be back with the DoorDash Dollarama haul video in tomorrow's video. So take care, and thanks a lot for watching this one. Bye for now.